This is radiant barrier, and I'm going to be trying to install it up on this roof before the purlins, before the metal. This is going to help reflect and block the radiant heat that comes through the roof, hopefully keeping this cooler in the summer. I don't know the best way to go about this. I would say that that is looking good so far. I'm gonna get it centered up the best I can, staple it down. So far, this is going pretty good. I love putting this stuff up. It looks so futuristic, and it should help a lot, I believe. Anyway, I'm ready for my second run. We just got that one stapled down and cut, so I'm gonna do the same thing above your heads right there, and hopefully we'll be putting purlins on the roof in just a moment. Alright, got it stretched. I just realized this one's going to be the hard one because I can't reach it now. I'm going to have to work around the outside of the trailer and try to get it stapled up. Wow. Alright, I'll be back. Well, I did it. It's not perfect. I didn't staple this center, but I got some on the edge and it's not going anywhere. So right now, before the wind picks up, let's just get the wood on it. The wood's going to hold it down tight. So purlins are next. Purlins are just supports that run perpendicular to the rafters for you to screw your metal roof to. I'm going to be using 1x4s. Let me pull them out and get them installed. Well, there's not much to share this time, but we got the work done. So I'll take you up on top now that it's finished and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm happy with it. So here it is. That's all there is to it. Ideally, I would like some pieces right down here in between. I don't have enough wood for that, so I think I'm going to skip it, but otherwise, we are ready for the metal roof. It's a pretty basic system. Got them screwed down. 2 screws in every ceiling joist. Cut them off flush. That's the work. So I want to tell you that this project very much is not a project that I'm doing because I enjoy. A lot of people seem to have this idea that somehow we did all of this on purpose. We pushed the tree on the trailer so that we could have content for our channel. I mean, that is really the implication that a lot of people are giving us, and it's kind of confusing. I just want to be clear that this didn't happen on purpose, and I'm not doing this because I enjoy it. I actually would much rather be doing other things. We're not stretching out content because we have nothing else to show. We have tons of things to do. This project is a major holdup for us. It's a major financial setback for us. It doesn't benefit us in any way. It doesn't benefit the channel in any way. I knew from the beginning that this wouldn't be popular because when I bought this trailer, it wasn't popular. When I converted it into a workshop, it wasn't popular. Everything I've done on this hasn't been popular. So I dreaded this. I dreaded getting into this project because people don't like it. But you have to remember that our channel isn't about what people like and don't like. It honestly is just us sharing what we're doing. It's either I show you what I'm doing or we don't have videos for a month or two. Do you get what I'm saying? And we just want to share our progress, good or bad. It could hurt or help. A lot of people seem to worry about our channel and our channel numbers more than we do. And please don't. We don't even look at numbers like that. We're like, it's hard to explain. We just live and we share. And I am happy with how this is coming out, and I am having fun sharing it. But this is just the project that popped up, and I have to do it. I do it because I have to do it. Right now, at our mobile home property, we have a stack of material to put on the walls, all ready to go. It's just ready to put up. And we want to work on that. It doesn't cost us anything. It's already bought. It's already there. The only reason I can't work on it is because this is where my time is going, because of necessity. So it's just one of those things. We're not like elaborate planners and thinkers and masterminds who are here, you know, scheming up ideas for YouTube content. Guys, we're so simple. We're simple people. We're simple-minded people. We just do what we feel like we can do and have to do. And that's it. Today, it was purlins on the roof. That's what I had to do, and I got it done. Next time, I'm going to pull Evie out here. She's ready to go. We have to unstack the metal and start getting that cut and put on the roof. Again, not looking forward to it because it's roof work and cutting metal and patching holes because it's used metal. But it's got to get done, and we're going to get it done. I don't know what I'm doing with the wall yet. To be honest, I'm not worried about it. I'm keeping it like one step at a time because mentally I can get overwhelmed if I try going too far ahead of myself. And right now I'm just focused on roof. Once the roof is done, I'll handle that. To be honest, if I wasn't doing this job, I should be working on our home foundation. That's what I would love to be doing also, because I've been waiting for this time of year, the dry time of year, to get under the house and start foundation work again. So let me show you quick. You see that block wall over there behind me? That was all dug out, and we laid the concrete block and we core filled it, and that's just to basically hold back the dirt because our crawl space is lower than our yard. So it holds back the dirt and just cleans up the edge so it doesn't look sloppy like these just rolling hills going down. Now, on the back side, we have rolling hills going down. Look how sloppy this looks, and especially from the outside. So I still have to dig all of this out and lay cinder blocks along the whole back of the house and some on the sides, both sides of the house. We have a lot of block work to do. During the summer, this is really hard because we get a lot of dampness down here and this gets muddy, and I don't like sitting in the mud. So this is what I was planning on working on this time of year. I was looking forward to this, saying, okay, I got to dig this out. But well, the time came, and you know, we had some end of the season hurricanes that came through, and they caused some property damage. And while clearing that up, we had the bright idea to start removing trees. That snowballed into what we're doing now. So sometimes plans divert, and that's where we're at. This, I'm still hoping I can get it done this year, but like I said, it's tricky because we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. And as much as people might think that I jump around, I really don't. I try to stay focused and I go in a straight line. And that's why I'm working on the trailer, because I started it and I just want to get through it. Now, the only time I jump is if something holds me up. If I can't move further, then I do something else. But I do like moving in a straight line. And after that trailer is done, like I said, we're going to the mobile home. So that's going to be my path. Mobile home. Boom. Until I, can't do anything there. But hopefully we get this done. If not, it can wait another year. It's just annoying because if I don't do this year, like this winter, I have to wait until next winter. Picture a whole nother year of life has passed. It can really drag out a renovation. Simple things like this. That goes for a lot of things around our property where we're just going around the weather, and there's certain jobs that we can only do once a year. If we miss it, it's gone. No rush, no worry. We're here to stay. As far as I know, we're enjoying it here. We still have a lot of, look at this. I still want to insulate. We got to get this insulated, sealed up. I installed hardwood flooring above this room, and I did put down a vapor retarder, but this last summer, was brutally humid. I mean, it didn't feel humid, but we noticed it because things were growing mold that never grew mold, and our floors were cupping. And that's tragic when you have a hardwood floor. So our floor started, and it's probably from the moisture under the house, I don't know, getting into the wood. Even though we have a vapor retarder, it only retards, it doesn't stop. And so this dry winter is good. It lets our floors balance out. They're relaxing a little. Still a little bit of cupping, but not like it was. I'm hoping they flatten out. Hardwood floors can flatten out if they're not too severely damaged. And then I would love to get this all sealed up, insulated and sealed somehow. That would be the ideal. And okay, we got bird nest in the corner. So I don't know. That's another job that we'd like to get done, and so many more coming. So I guess that's all I'm gonna share today. But next time, like I said, I'll try to get that roof done, and then we'll see where we go from there. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care.